Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope all are well. With the mercy of Almighty Allah, I am also doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's the condition of the study is going on, dear student? As the time is going fast, to knock the door of the examination, and as the time is running fast, you must take the proper preparation to be qualified in the cadet admission test, because every time I consult everybody to all what's the significance of the admission test. It's not an easy task. You have to fight to be qualified in that admission test. So don't take it as an easy task. Especially for math class 6, 7, 8, and different types of math will be available there. Today I am going to revise the class. Already these types of math has been done 2 or 3 times about board and stream. But in the examination, most of the students are not capable or aware to solve the math proper way, maintaining the proper way. So today I am again discussing the problem about board and stream from your guide page 163. Guide page 163 about board and stream. So get ready, dear student, to go with me. Board and stream. GP, Grameenphone 163. Okay. Open at Grameenphone 163. Ready? First of all, here is a creative question. First, I want to solve creative question 1. Creative question number 1. Only one creative question here. First, I want to solve the creative question from here. Okay, a boatman rows 64 kilometers upstream in 8 hours. He can come back downstream to the same point in 4 hours. Here is a clue. A boatman rows 64 kilometers upstream in 8 hours. He can come back downstream to the same point in 4 hours. What is the speed of the boat in upstream? Always remember, speed we have to calculate the speed of anything with the help of 1 hour, in the time of 1 hour. 1 hour, okay? 1 hour, the covering distance. In 1 hour, the covering distance is called speed of any vehicle or anything. Any vehicle or anything. Did you get a point? What I want to say? The required distance or the covering distance or pass distance within 1 hour. Okay, now here speed of boat in upstream. Rose 64 km upstream in 8 hours. Upstream in 8 hours. So in 1 hour, 8 km per hour. Okay. Speed of boat in upstream. Here total distance here 64 kilometer and the time is here 8 hours. If we divide 64 kilometer the total distance by the total time, then we get the speed of boat in upstream. That is the required distance in 1 hour. Okay. Another things, you must mention the unit of speed. What is the unit of speed? Unit of speed, that means in the upper part or in the numerator here kilometer and in denominator is hour. So there kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. This is called speed. Most of the students in the exam paper don't want to mention the speed, the unit of speed, kilometer per hour. Please don't forget to mention it because it is very important for the math which is related to the speed kilometer per hour. Okay. Now 64 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of boat in upstream. Find the speed of stream. Speed of stream. Came back to the downstream to the same way in 4 hours. So the speed of boat in downstream here the same distance. Here the speed of boat in downstream. The boat come back to the downstream, same distance, that means 64 kilometer. But here time is less because downstream means the boat goes with stream. The boat goes with stream. That is the downstream means the required time is less than the required time upstream. So here the required time here 4 in 4 hours. (64 kilometer per hour in downstream and upstream 8 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of the boat? What is the speed of the stream here? What is the speed of stream here? From we get speed of boat in upstream, speed of boat in upstream equal to 8 km/h. Now actual speed of boat plus steam. Actual speed of boat plus steam, that is means the speed of boat in downstream. The speed of boat downstream, that means the boat goes with stream. Actual speed of the boat plus steam, that is called the downstream. Here equal to 60 km/h. Again, actual speed of boat minus stream. Actual speed of the boat minus stream, that is the speed of boat in downstream. Downstream is what here? 8. Addition, that means this is plus, this is minus, this one plus, this one minus, or subtract. If we subtract, not addition, subtract. Subtraction, here minus, here plus, here minus. So actual speed of the boat and actual speed of the boat plus minus is out here. Therefore 2 into stream, here 8 and 4, 8 and 16 and 8 km/h, or steam equal to 8/2 km/h. Therefore 4 km/h. 4 km/h. Therefore the speed of steam equal to 4 km/h. So here this is actual speed of boat plus steam, actual speed of the boat minus steam, minus steam equal to speed of boat in upstream, that is 8. Speed of boat in downstream, this is 16. So if we subtract from this one to this one, this 16 from 8, and this one is cross, stream and steam, 2 stream. Okay, the speed of steam is here 4 km/h. Number C. Number C, what is the actual speed of the boat? From B we get the speed of steam equal to 4 km/h, and actual speed of boat plus steam equal to actual speed of the boat and steam equal to 16 km per hour. Km per hour. Or actual speed of boat plus steam, that means steam equal to 4 km per hour, 16 km per hour. Or actual speed of boat 16 km per hour minus 4 km per hour equal to 12 km per hour. This is the answer. So actual speed of the boat is here 12 km per hour when the boat goes with the stream. Then boat actual speed of the boat and stream, that is 16 km per hour when the boat goes or moves against the stream, and that is called speed of the stream, speed of boat in upstream, that is called 8, because when the boat goes against the stream, that time the stream make prevention the speed of the actual boat. Prevention is here 4 km. So 12 minus 4 equal to 8 km per hour. This is the clear conception for boat and stream. When upstream and when downstream. And during the upstream and downstream, the relation between boat and stream, very simple things. Just you have to understand. You have to make out the meaning or the conception, the basic conception here. What is the relation between boat and stream? What is the relation between boat and stream? Boat and stream. This is upstream, this is downstream, and this is upstream. This is downstream and this is upstream. Downstream means with stream, upstream means subtracting the stream. Simple things. Okay, now or another math, same things. Math number C and D. C, D, E. Just turn to E, math number E. Okay, this one is any problem? I think no problem, because you are the brilliant student of NCC Cosmetics Limited. So very simple. The simple things is very simple to make out the meaning. Okay, the beauty is truth. The truth is beauty. When winter comes, the spring can be far behind. And the universal truth of the winter season. The universal truth of the winter season. Some people suffer from the coldness, but some people get it in enjoyed condition. The people who suffered must understand the real things of the winter season, but the people who can't suffer can't understand the real things of the winter season. And this is why The beauty is truth, truth is beauty is universal truth. Math number A. Math number E. A, B, C, D, the primary knowledge, sorry, A, B, C, then after D, then E. Math number E, first we are going to read out the method, the given things. A boat can travel 1.5 kilometer in 6 minutes, and along with the stream, against the stream, it travels 1.25, here 1.25 kilometer per hour. Please correct it. In 15 minutes. 1.25 kilometer in 15 minutes. Find the speed of the boat and the stream. The same process with the first one. Create question number 1. Just you have to convert it in hour, because before doing this math I mentioned in the first time, or not in the first time, in previous class I also mentioned we have to calculate the speed in 1 hour. How many hour? 1 hour. But here the time is given in minutes. Here the time is given in minutes. So convert it in hour. Then try to calculate, try to find out the solution. Here the speed of boat, actual speed of the boat. Speed of boat means here actual speed of the boat, because all the speed is here boat here, along with stream, against stream. Both the speed is here boat, both speed of here is boat, but actual speed of the boat is another things. That is not related to the stream. Okay, now sleepy mode, what should to do? Now I think, what should to do? Now I think. Rhythmic sound, do you hear? Okay, a boat can travel in 15 minutes along with stream. Okay. The speed of boat in 1 hour, that means 60 minutes. Okay. The boat goes along with the stream here, along with the stream in 6 minutes. 6 minutes, how many kilometers? 1.5 kilometers. Therefore, in 1 minute, 1.5 by 6 kilometers in 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 1.5 into 60 by 6, 10 equal to 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. Here 60 minutes means 1 hour. 1 hour. So speed is here clear. 1 hour, 15 kilometers per hour. Again, the boat goes in downstream against the stream in how many minutes? 15 minutes. How many kilometer? 1.25 kilometer in 1 minute. 1.25 15 kilometers in 60 minutes. 1.25 into 60, therefore 4, that means 5 kilometer. 4 into 1.25, that means 5 kilometer. So here speed of boat against steam 5 kilometer per hour, because 60 minutes, that means 1 hour. We know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. The clear conception is here. Boat plus steam, boat minus steam. Okay, done. This is the speed along with steam. Along with steam means boat plus steam. Boat plus steam against steam, that means boat minus steam. We got here boat plus steam and boat minus steam. Now the actual speed of boat plus steam, that is called 15 kilometer per hour. The actual speed of boat minus steam. The actual speed of the boat minus steam, that is the speed against the steam, 5 kilometer per hour. Now addition. Addition, that means steam and steam plus minus is out here. 2 into actual speed of boat equal to 5 and 15, 20 kilometer per hour. Or actually this 2 is here multiplied. This one, this side will be divided. Actual speed of boat 20 by 2 kilometer per hour equal to 10 kilometer per hour. We have gotten here the actual speed of the boat 10 kilometer per hour. So actual speed of the boat 10 kilometer per hour. This side will be this one subtracted. Now the speed of steam 50 minus 10 kilometer per hour. Equal to 5 kilometer per hour answer. Speed of steam is here 5 kilometer per hour and actual speed of the boat is here 10 kilometer per hour. So when this one is good, 10 and 5, 15 kilometer per hour. 10 minus 5, 5 kilometer per hour. This is called the speed of boat along with stream. This is called speed of boat against the stream. This is upstream. This is upstream. This is downstream. This is upstream. This is downstream. So same condition. Clear conception. Is there any problem, dear student? I think no problem. As the same commitment, the students of MCC Cosmetics Limited must be learned. They can solve most of the math that is required for the admission test for cadet college. Now, any problem from here? I think no problem. Now number C. Math number C. Tearing the anchor about one tower 7.5 kilometer in 2 hours along with the stream. The boatman returned the boat in 3 hours. What is the speed of the boat? Try to understand here. What is called anchor here? Do you know it is anchor here? Anchor means anchor. Okay. How fine the anchor is here. Wow. This is the anchor. Wow. Fine boat. This is a fine boat and this is a boatman. Suppose the boatman among from you who don't know how to drive the boat well. Boatman ya boro yard okay. This is the anchor. Anchor is the things that makes the boat staying at a place. Anchor helps the boat to stay any place so that the stream can't or the wave can't displace the boat from any certain place. This is called anchor. Okay, and this is a boatman with long hair. So fine picture. So this boatman has fixed the anchor is here. After fixing here, he is going home. This boatman is going home. Now the boat is boatmanless. There is no boatman in this boat, so there is no actual speed of the boat. Is it okay? There is no actual speed of the boat because the boatman is home after fixing the anchor. Now with high power the steam is come forward and this anchor is disconnected. This anchor is disconnected. Anchor is disconnected. Now the boat is moving with the help of stream. With the help of stream, and it goes 7.5 km in 2 hours. Here there is no speed of actual speed of the boat. The boat goes with the stream. The boatman is now home. The anchor is disconnected. Anchor is disconnected with the power of stream. Okay, so 7.5 km in 2 hours. Speed of stream. Okay, wow, fine boat. Here the boat after steering the anchor, the boat goes in 2 hours after tearing the anchor. No boatman is here. After tearing the anchor, the boat goes in 2 hours. 7.50 kilometer. The boat goes in 1 hour. 7.50 by 2 kilometers. Here we have to convert it 1 hour. That means we always calculate the speed of anything in 1 hour with the help of 1 hour. So here we have to calculate the speed or the moving of the boat in 1 hour to get the speed of the boat. The boat goes in 1 hour. Here means 3.75 kilometer. 3.75 kilometer. So this is the 1 hour. This is the distance of 1 hour with the boat with the help of stream. So that is, this is the speed of stream. This is the speed of stream. Clear? Stream is So therefore the speed of stream equal to 3.75 kilometer per hour, because in 1 hour we are calculating in 1 hour. The speed of stream is here 3.75 kilometer per hour. Okay, very simple things. Now the same distance, this boatman after waking up from the sleep came back to the boat. The boatman from home. The boatman came back and he noticed that his boat is not here. So he, with the help of his another things, he goes to the boat, and the boat, he returned the boat within 3 hours. Within 3 hours, it took more time. Why? Because he returned the boat against the stream. Now the boatman returned the boat in 3 hours. The boatman returned the boat in 3 hours. How many kilometers? 7.50 kilometer. The boatman returned the boat in 1 hour. 7.50 divided 3 kilometer. Here 2.50 kilometer. 2.50 kilometer. This is called actual speed of the boat. Minus the stream. Against the stream, 2.50 kilometer. Now therefore the speed of boat against the stream. The speed of boat against the stream 2.50 kilometer per hour. Now the actual speed of boat minus the stream speed of stream. Actual speed of the boat minus the speed of stream, that is the speed of boat against the stream. Speed of boat against the stream is what? 2.50 kilometer per hour, or the actual speed of boat minus the speed of stream is here 3.75 kilometer per hour equal to 2.50 kilometer per hour. So this minus this cell will be plus. Therefore the actual speed of boat 2.50 kilometer per hour plus 3.75 kilometer per hour equal to 2 and 3 5 6.75 6.25 kilometer per hour answer. So this is the actual speed of the boat, 6.25 kilometer per hour. Very important math here. From all the math, this math is more important than others. Okay. So any problem from this? I think no problem. Any problem? It is done, no problem. Okay, now math number 8. A per D, math number D. Math number D. A steamer have reached at a place from Sadarghat of Dhaka with the steam in 10 hours. The steamer take 20 hours to come back in the upstream from the place to Sadarghat. If the real speed of the steamer is 21 km per hour, then what is the distance of that place from the Sadarghat? Number D. This one is very simple. Very simple. Let the unknown things here should be taken as x. Let the distance be from Sadarghat to Dhaka Sadarghat to Dhaka be x kilometer. So this is Sadarghat, this is Dhaka. Total distance x kilometer. Total distance x kilometer. So steamer have reached a place from Sadarghat to Dhaka with this steam in 10 hours. How many hours? 10 hours. We have to calculate the speed is here in 1 hour. How many hours? 1.25 হবে তো 1.25 কিলোমিটার 15 মিনিট এটা হ্যাঁ 1.25 25 হ্যাঁ 25 আমি করেছি তো ম্যাথ করা শেষ এটা 1.25 হবে এটা Okay, now the distance be x kilometer. The steamer goes in 10 hours. How many kilometers? X kilometer here. The steamer goes in 10 hours. Total distance is here x kilometer. This x kilometer, to go this x kilometer, it takes 10 hours. How many hours? 10 hours. But we have to calculate it in 1 hour because we always calculate the speed of any things in 1 hour. In 1 hour means the speed. The steamer goes in 1 hour x by 10 kilometer. The steamer comes back in how many hours? 20 hours. How many hours it's? 20 hours x kilometer. The steamer comes back in 1 hour x by 20 kilometer. So this is the speed. It takes few minutes, less time. That means the speed of steamer with stream. This is the speed of steamer against steam, and with steams. With steam it takes less time. Against steam it takes more time. Okay. Now the actual speed of steamer plus steam, actual speed of the steamer plus steam, that is called x by 10 kilometer per hour. The actual speed of the steamer minus steam. This is the speed of steamer against steam. X by 20 kilometer per hour. So this is the here plus minus addition 2 into actual speed of steamer x by 10 x by 20 kilometer per hour. Here 20 is LCM, 2x plus x, therefore 3x by 20 km per hour. So actual speed of the steamer is given is here. Actual speed of the steamer is given is here. What is the actual speed of the steamer is given? 21. Therefore ATQ ATQ 2 into here is the actual speed of steamer 21. Actual speed of the steamer is here. This is actual speed of the steamer is here 21 kilometer per hour. So 21, this one is 3x by 20. Or 2 into 21 2 into 21 into 20 equal to 3x, or 2 into 21 into 20 divided 3 equal to x. This one is 7. Therefore x equal to 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 280. 280. So therefore the distance equal to 280 kilometer. So the question is here, what is the distance from place from Sadargarh? The distance is 280 kilometer. Very simple. Here is also we have taken the help speed of steamer plus steam, that is called the steamer with along with steam. Speed of the steamer minus the steam, that is called the speed of steamer against steam. The common things: actual speed of the steamer, the speed of steamer against steam, the speed of steamer with steam. The simple things and the common things you have to remember in your mind to calculate this type of math. So if you calculate this type of math again and again, you will be capable to understand and to make out the meaning, what type of math will be available in the examination. So I am requesting all of you to take preparation with this following method and keep well. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.